I just can't wait to have a full head of hair again. I feel like I'm 19 again. Back to my young days. It's going to make me feel so much better about myself, and my anxiety will just go down so much because I won't feel like people are just looking at my bald head all the time. I was so amazed by the work that I'd seen that the London Hair Clinic had done on TikTok. I just had to come in, I had to jump at the opportunity to come in and get this done. I'm so excited that today the London Hair Clinic is going to give you my hair back. It looks amazing. I've never seen it like this. It's almost weird because I've never seen myself with a full head of hair. It looks so good. So good, I can't recommend this enough. It makes you feel amazing. Nikki's the one that did this and she did an amazing job. She's so good. I can't recommend her enough. Coming to the London Hair Clinic and getting my hair back is one of the best things I've ever done.